wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best storage ottomans. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the homepop upholstered comes in 3 fun designs, all with a flat top that's perfect for using it as an occasional table. Assembly is easy and the sturdy legs are made from wood. However, the lid is not connected by a hinge. At number 9, standing almost 17 inches tall, the Simply Home Harrison has one lid that opens along a hinged edge and another that lifts up. Considering it's a yard square and weighs about 53 pounds, you will need 2 people to move it around safely. It comes with a tufted cushioned top with a lot of space inside, but it is on the expensive side. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Spatial Order Miller has 6-inch long tapered legs, slightly slanted sides and a soft round top capped with a single button. It's available in several velvet options as well as an orange model upholstered with a woven fabric. It can support up to 250 pounds and measures 18 inches in all dimensions. However, the lid is not reversible. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for storage ottomans, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Rivet Ross Modern comes in a handful of neutral colors like dark brown and grey, making it a choice that should go well with most settings. Available in fabric or faux leather, the reversible cushion top turns over to reveal a wooden serving tray. It's backed by a 1-year warranty and made with sturdy stitching throughout, but it is difficult to lift. Moving up our list to number 6. The top of the homepop round is reinforced with 2 sets of French seams that cross in the center. At 17 inches tall, it doesn't provide too much room for storing things, but it's perfect for resting your feet on. Round studs keep the lid from slipping off, and the fabric interior is soft yet durable. It's covered with synthetic leather. Halfway up our list at number 5, upholstered in faux linen, the Red Company Folding Cube comes in colors like burgundy, charcoal, and orange rust. Although it can be collapsed to fit in its own short 3-inch top, it still has a hefty capacity of 300 pounds. It's relatively inexpensive and requires no assembly, but it doesn't have any feet. At number 4, a compact model with a diameter of only 21 inches, the Convenience Concepts Designs for Comfort Round can fit into tight quarters. It comes with either a fabric or faux leather cover and is available in bright colors like coral and lilac. The removable top is tufted with buttons and it's easy to move around at just 11 pounds. However, it doesn't provide much storage space. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, at about 42 inches long and 17 wide, the Simply Home Avalon would be suitable as an entryway seat or a bedroom bench. It's topped with 3 thick cushions that each have convenient serving trays on their underside. It's available in 12 colors and requires little assembly. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for storage ottomans, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, available in black, dark espresso or tan, the Convenience Concept with Trays has a tufted lid that's sturdy enough to sit on. The wooden serving trays can be flipped over to provide a solid top you can use as a coffee table. The slow-release hinges prevent it from slamming, and it's nearly 3 feet long. You can choose from a fabric or faux leather upholstery. And coming in at number 1 on our list, featuring a reversible cushion with a serving tray underneath, the Convenience Concepts Park Avenue comes in several solid colors. At 18 inches square, it houses a small matching unit, so you get 2 for 1. It boasts a sturdy wood frame, an interior lined with soft fabric, and a plush pillow top. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for storage ottomans, or simply click beneath this video.